Hey, good morning everyone. It's Nick with Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon location. I want to do a quick video for you on our 2018 Leisure Travel 24MB model. This is a Murphy bed on the Sprinter chassis. Comes in around 24 feet in length, bumper to bumper, making it extremely easy to drive. Leisure Travel has incredible quality inside and out. They do a beautiful construction all the way around, and they provide a decent amount of storage as well on these models. They got this rear storage compartment, which is a great spot for power cords, golf clubs, some fishing poles, whatever it is you desire whenever you go out on your awesome adventures. Again, this is the Leisure Travel Unity 24MB. You got solar on the roof, large power awning with LED lighting and an outdoor LED for security, beautiful frameless windows, and again, you can just see the sleekness that they do on the Leisure Travels all the way around. They do a beautiful job. As you enter this 24MB model, again, this is the Murphy bed. It is on the manual setup, so it's extremely easy to put the bed up and down. And then you've got these really nice chairs that will swivel as well, depending on how you want to use the coach on that day. You've got a great amount of counter space, which are solid surface counters for prepping those delicious meals. Deep stainless steel sink, a 2-burner propane cooktop, and then you've got this massive, large rear bath with the corner shower and a deep amount of storage located here on the right. Again, this is a 2018 Leisure Travel Unity 24MB. You can check it out online at johnsonrv.com. But more than anything, have a great day.